Hello, 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 welcome back everyone. It's a new episode, new ideas, new things to do. So for today, mainly what I want to do is remove the hood, these side panels, side things, snorkel, and I guess some small bits like this upper railing, some vent hatches. What do we have else? I could try to remove this one, but I don't wanna. Oh, the lamps, tail lights, and possibly the rear and front bumpers. Not entirely sure because not sure how long it will take for me to remove this snorkel. Shouldn't be that hard, but you never know. With old cars, rusted cars, you never know. Could be fast, could be slow. We'll see. Let's just jump right in, I guess. So the front hood. To remove it, undo the sprinklers, and it's just held in by 2 screws on each side. That should be all. It's held by 2 12mm heads screws on both sides. And it's off. One less thing on the car. Cool. It weighs really, it's really heavy. So if you do this, find a friend. So let's start by removing this side, because there will be snorkel and it will be much harder. So I see that it's held on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this little pin right there, 6, 7, then 8. That's it. That's really rusted, and I doubt I'm gonna get it off. Here's something, and also, yeah, 10. So in case anyone's wondering, these lamps are held in by 3 cross-headed long screws, one there, and one there. So, yeah, here it is. This is what I'm looking for. That's why I can take off my... There's 2 more screws, so 12 screws for the side panel thingy. Now I just need to remove this one, I guess. Front lamps are held in from here so they don't bother me. So already started the other side. I'm basically trying to remove parts that I can, because for now I can't figure out how to remove this plastic. So I guess I'm gonna start by removing parts from this side, maybe the front bumper, we'll see. And decided to remove windshield wipers. They have this on 14mm. Yes, so my snorkel is held on by these 2 screws the upper side. The side is screwed in from inside this side panel. I don't want to bother with removing those screws. I will remove the whole panel and then just unbolt it. If I get to that part, because I'm currently struggling with everything. Not sure why, but nothing is going my way today. Let's continue. So this part is off. Now it looks like a buggy. Cool. Yeah, so what do we have? We have our little air filter inside. Cool. Sportish. So they cut off this block. Oh, why do I think that part of my front end was falling off? Well, it wouldn't be that surprising, to tell you the truth. But who needs the front end of a car? Front end is overrated. Yeah. All fun and games. This is the snorkel part. See that it's held in. What's this? Oh, okay. Held in by. Should be held in by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, but I have heads only on 1, 2, 3 of them. I won't remove this. This is the extension that went through here. I won't remove it for now. I will remove it if it takes up too much space and I need to get rid of it. But for now, let's get back to this side and remove this one. And the second one is off. Now I have both sides off. I tried to remove the front bumper for now. Not quite sure. By the way, sorry if this episode will be shorter. But yeah, today just isn't my day. I'll just try to remove this front panel, I guess the front lamps, rear lamps. And it's up. So the lamps, see that they are held on 1, 2, 3, and 4 10mm screws. One up. By the way, there is this block that I don't know what the hell that is, and I don't know, basically 3 wires for the lamp itself. It's gonna be fun figuring out what the hell that is. Again, it's held in by 4 cross-headed screws. This car isn't the hardest thing to tear apart. But it sure is annoying that everything is so rusted. I bet here all the wires are also held in by duct tape, with duct tape and stuff like that. I don't have faith that this car has anything good left. Wow, it's not. That's new. That is new because under the car, I know that everything is held in by duct tape because I had a million problems. It's also 4 cross-headed, and this is all. Sorry for the lack of energy. Don't know why today, just can't force myself to work. I guess this is gonna be a short episode, most likely a time-lapse thingy. But yeah, I can't make myself do anything more today. I'm tired. Also, the weather is not so good for doing stuff. It is what it is. Can't complain. Need to do at least some little things so the job keeps going forward. I don't get stuck. So it is removed. The snorkel is removed. Side panels, front headlights, taillights. So you can see everything in the front is removed. Sorry for the lack of energy. Today for some reason isn't my day. But yeah, it's raining outside. Maybe that's why, not sure. That's it for today's episode. Again, sorry for lack of energy, sorry for the length of the video if it's made short. Haven't edited yet, don't know how it's gonna be. Yeah, so next episode, either against small stuff. Yeah, by the way, didn't remove the railings because they are beyond me how to remove. I will just cut them off. I forgot to remove the wind wipers. I'll do it afterwards. But yeah, found again new stuff in my car. The front end shouldn't be trying to come off. Like, that's, I believe, not good. In the next episode will be either the bumpers, front and rear, or I'll start removing parts from the interior, engine bay interior. I will also quickly remove the battery. But yeah, basically we are already one step closer to removing the engine. For that, basically all we need is remove the front bumper, take off the front section of the car, undo the engine, pull that baby out. And that's it. Let's see what I'll manage to take off from here and there. But yeah, if something pops up, I will add that before this ending. If not, then see you next episode. And thanks for stopping by. I see that my subscribers are growing, so thumbs up for all you guys. Don't forget to leave thumbs up for me also, for me to finish this project, because currently I'm not that positive about that, but I will do my best. Also, the front hood is out. So, thanks for stopping by and see you next episode. By the way, maybe I will have a little help for the next episode. Who knows? We'll see. See you then. Bye.